Hello and welcome to day 3 lesson with Lowman. So box plots. Box plots are actually really super easy. You gotta know a few little things. So there is the median. Median is just basically the middle number. So how you do that is you put them in order. And it's really easy to put them in order from least to greatest. And then once you've done that, you basically just go on each side until you get to the middle number. This works great if you have an odd number. If you have a middle, wow, it'd be good if I could talk today. If you have an even set, what you'll have to do is if you have, let me go ahead and fix this where it's an even set. If you have an even set, you add the two numbers together, and then you divide it by 2. So this actually works really well, and then that's the median. And all you have to do with the box plot is just basically find the median. So first thing you got to do is we're going to create a box plot. So we're going to first order the numbers. So I see my smallest number is 3. So I have 3, and then I have 1, 2, 3 fourths. 1, 2, 3 fourths. I don't see any more 4s, so I've got 2 5s. I have 1 6, 2 7s, 2 8s, and a 9. So when I'm counting these, I see that I have 12 numbers. So my lower extreme, that would be my smallest number, and my upper extreme is my greatest number. From here, I'm going to find the median. So easy way to do this is just underline until you get to either 1 or 2 numbers. So here I've actually got 2 sets of numbers. So I'm going to do 5 plus 6, which equals 11, and then 11 divided by 2. That actually becomes 5.5. From here, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually split these two apart. If I actually had the median, because this right here is technically the median, this lovely little number right here, right in between, that's your median. Now, if I actually had an odd number, that means that middle number would have been my median, and I just box around it. So from here, yet again, to find the lower quartile, all I'm going to do, yet again, is just find the median. So I'm going to do 1 until I get to the very center, which in this case, now I have 2 4s. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing with the upper quartile. So I'm going to do each side until I get to the middle. So this time it's actually going to be 7 plus 8. And divide that by 2. So I'm going to do 15 because I have to do everything in parentheses first. So that means that one's not 7.5. Now, these right here, these are my 5 numbers. So how this works is 3 and 9 get a dot. My median gets a line. My lower quartile gets a line. My upper quartile gets a line. And then what I do is I create a box. Now the IQR, all that is my lower quartile. That would be step. Actually, we're going to do upper quartile, which would be step 5. And we subtract my lower quartile, which is my step 4. And that's how you get that. So when you're doing these, what you guys are actually doing as an assignment today, so if you'll skip past and you'll go to your assignment, you're going to do the exact same thing we just did. Now, on the secondary assignment that you have, this one will be up in Google Classroom soon, if it's not already. it is just basically finding your minimum. This is also known as your lower extreme. So you may see this is a minimum. You may see also this one's a maximum. And then your lower quartile would be your Q1. Your upper quartile is going to be your Q3. And then your median is going to be your Q2. So how this looks is you have your box and you have your ends. So this would be Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. And I'm not quite sure why in the world those all came out a lot bigger than I expected. They all did. So except for the one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And basically all these are between here to here, 25%. Here to here, guess what? It's another 25%. Guess what? Here to here, 25%. And you guessed it, here to here, the last 25%. Hopefully that helps, and if you run across questions, just feel free to ask questions. Honestly, I promise it's not as bad as it seems. All right, good luck.